Hey everyone, I'm back with some more of the Avin Avant. Thought what I'd do is show a feature that I hadn't really shown yet, which is the Bluetooth. So let me turn that on my phone real fast. I think it may, yeah, it's set on automatically pair. So because it detected the Bluetooth signal, and because I've connected it before, it automatically came up here. So if I click on Bluetooth, it seems to be loading data. So let's try to play some music. See if that works. I'm going to play Pandora on my phone. And it's working. Sounds good to me. Click on the music button right here. Brings up this little interface. You got your EQ. Visualizer. Some of these are not really all that great. That one's kind of nice. At least it's sort of doing something. Got your buttons down here. This is, like I said, this is Pandora right now, so it's able to control those. I'm sure most prominent music apps have the ability to do that because they're meant for any type of Bluetooth interface, you know, to control them. So the simple things like play, pause, and next and previous. Steering wheel button seemed to work fine. That's good. If we load something from here, I assume it will stop the Bluetooth. Yeah, that worked. So, let's see. I didn't really go over much of the phone features. Whoops. That switched back immediately. Let me turn that off so that I can maybe talk about the phone. Let's call someone. What's an 800 number? Call. There's no little. I was gonna call like pick UPS, but there's no letters on there, which I admit it looks nice, but occasionally I suppose you may need that. I haven't done too much. I did sync. I don't really want to like bring up my phone book. I did sync it once. I have not played around with this enough to know how all of this works, as far as like if it retains your contacts each time, or if it had to sync them. I don't think I would want to do it if it has to sync each time, because it took a little bit of time, and you know, it would just be sort of annoying. So I'll let you know on that. What was I gonna do here? Oh, we're gonna call someone. Bring up the dialer on my phone so I don't know any 800 numbers off the top of my head.
Para continuar en español, oprima el 9. Well, what would you like to do? You can say, track a package, or shipping information.
Track a package.
Track a package. If that's not right, say go back. Please say your tracking number. Or if you have an info notice, tell me the number just above the barcode. I didn't hear you. Please tell me your tracking number. It usually begins with a 1Z. Or, if you have an info notice, tell me the number just above the barcode.
I don't know it.
You'll need to have a tracking number to find out any information about your package.
Okay, so this button, hands-free on-off, I can hear it just switched over to my handset, so...
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
It's pretty nice.
Please
There's a
say,
mute.
I still didn't get
I guess
that.
that's
You
mute
can
for
say,
you, not the
track a
person.
package, or press 1.
And
Shipping
I
information.
thought this would do something.
I can connect you to an agent, but you'll need a tracking number available from the shipper, or an info notice number for the agent to help you.
Okay, well that's that. And then that goes away when your call's done. You're back this. You can switch back to music. I guess typically with music, you wouldn't really be like on this screen very much. You know, you'd either have this up. I'll start the music again. When you change the volume on your phone, it does change how loud it comes through. It's not changing the Android volume like right here, or the system volume we'll call it, but it does make it is dependent in some way on what your phone is set at. So keep that in mind. Here's kind of a neat thing. I don't know if I don't think I showed this. On your steering wheel you have the volume and the track buttons, and then the little face to make a call. And that brings up the Bluetooth, I guess. Another button on there above the face is R/T, and I'm not sure what this typically does in a 3 Series, but if you click it, it brings up this nice little thing where you can cycle through. It doesn't have every app on there that you have installed, but it has the kind of default core ones, which is pretty nice. It didn't. I landed on iPod, which I don't even have the cable connected to the Avin at all, so perhaps it knew that wasn't going to happen. But we can you could go to radio. I like that a lot. Keeps it hands-free. Hey, just a quick update about the phonebook with the Bluetooth functionality. I let the car sit overnight, and in fact I didn't connect all day. Came in, and the phonebook's still there, which is great. Went ahead and rebooted the unit, as it would be if you let it sit for a couple days or some time longer than the standby period, and it's still there. So that's nice. The syncing wasn't too bad, but it's something that I'd be happy to have, you know, not to do every time. So that's great. There is an option under menu to delete contacts if you need to for privacy reasons, and that's it.